Hello guys, it's me again. I'm PvPing right now, and I found out how to do something. Well, first I'm going to show you something. So I have to find the skeleton. Oh shoot! Ow! 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 Stop it! Oh hi Skelly. Wanna shoot me? Wanna shoot me? Ow! Hey! Hey! Oh shoot! Where do you get that diamond sword? Wait! What? You also have a diamond sword? Oh shoot! At least the zombies don't have them. Yeah, that was a close one actually. But I am going to tell you how to do that, and it is right here. So it's basically all the skeletons. They're actually faster once they hold the diamond sword. So see, oh, let me run, shoot. So oh, he got the swiftness too. Shoot, I ran out of sprint. Me too, me too. Okay, it's peaceful. So now I'm going to teach you how to do that. How skeletons can, or any mob can, switch their weapons in the player's radius. So, oh yeah, I have to be game mode 1. So, there's a fill clock right here. You see, and it's activating these two command blocks over here. So this first command block is the command block that detects. It's using execute command, so it detects a skeleton for in a radius minimum of 7. So if it's not in the radius minimum, if it's not in the radius of, oh sorry, it's detecting a skeleton outside, in a radius minimum of 7 there. And then what it's going to do is slash entity data, skeleton, and it's going to change its equipment into a bow. I can change it. It can change armor. I can do that later. But okay, so generic movement speed base equals to 0.2. So it would be like it's walking. But then over here, the same thing slash execute at A. Still the same thing on the other side. See, at A, tilde, and slash entity dial the same thing. So it's detecting a radius of 4. So if you're, oops, okay, here. So if you're in a radius, 4 block radius of it, it'll change into a diamond sword. And that's this command block, which is saying, see, skeleton radius 4 gun, it changes equipment into diamond sword, holding a diamond sword. After that, its attribute, whoops, whoa, accident. Okay, there. So movement change into 0.4. So once you get closer to it, its attributes it changes it into 0.4. So it goes faster. So it's like it's charging at you. But I can also give it a score, and for only a specific skeleton to have it, to have this kind of ability to switch weapons. But to prove not just it can like switch its weapon, it can also switch its armor. So this is boots, so I'm going to change this into iron boots. And this change into a diamond boot. So it changes everything. So this only boots, but I'm too lazy, so I just want to do the boots. So diamond boots. So if I spawn another one, see, I'm in radius, but if I'm not, it changes to iron. Diamond, iron. So it switches into a bow. So you see, for no matter how many skeletons there are, the same thing will happen. to each other. So that's exactly what E does. The execute command that's searching for E, the skeleton, the entity. And I actually never seen anybody do this before, but I thought of myself and oh, I could do this. So yeah, thanks God for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye.